All right, we're dialed in for the day. That's what we're talking about. Not fighting the markets, ladies and gentlemen. Asia session low down here and New York session open, and it is buzzing to the upside. Ideally, we see it come into this imbalance here, start a good reversal. All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to day number 4 of my funded account on my funded futures. I mean, it's an eval. Today, we're just going to be going over some stuff pre-market. I want to look for a trade relatively early into New York market open, just because it's a no news Monday. There's not going to be that much volatility. There's not news to push it in a direction. So we're going to be super cautious. We're not going to shoot for the moon and stars today. Anything else to mention? Yes. Make sure to go follow the Instagram, you guys. It's kind of been popping off recently. Make sure to go shoot me a follow and then shoot me a DM. Let me know what you're thinking. You guys help me out a ton. You guys push me to be better absolutely every single day. Let's get on here and let's take a look what market's serving us for today. So let's open up the booklet. So number 1, what's our weekly bias? Kind of bullish here, right? Number 2, what's our daily bias? Not quite bearish, but it kind of looks like it's starting its trend downward. It has made a higher high here, has not made a lower low yet. 4 hour, what are we looking like on the 4 hour? We broke structure on the 4 hour a while ago. And now we, with open, this gap here is starting to be filled. And then we see the 1 hour, right? We're trading into this gap. Ideally, we'd like to see price continue downward and not fight the trend. I mean, we'll see what kind of price reaction we get out of this gap and then this imbalance here. For now, we're just gonna hold off. Well, let's go to the 15-minute real quick. Let's take a look at some target areas as well as some session highs and lows. Asia session low down here and New York session open, and it is buzzing to the upside. Ideally, we see it come into this imbalance here, start a good reversal, but we want to look for a trade relatively early into market open. Take a quick look for the SMT. For any SMT, pardon me. I mean, we do have a little bit of a bullish SMT here with market open. Anything else worth mentioning? I don't think so. I keep telling you guys what I'm trying to get better at. As much as I do say it, I try to get 1% better every day. I'm not just saying that, right? I really do try to do that every single day. And what I've been realizing has been helping me the most is just making trading super simple. Like dumb it down as much as you can, where you don't have to remember every single little thing. And then liquidity sweep. So we want to look for that liquidity sweep now, and then a reaction off of such liquidity sweep. Just a ridiculous amount of volume to start it off. And then same over here, but just no movement. Want to see some sort of good reaction from here. So we would like some form of break of structure the downside on the 5-minute. We're seeing super bearish activity right now. Very good. So we've inversed this 5-minute imbalance. WNQ, good short for the day. Absolutely, bro. We're looking for that as well. We do have the 15-minute break of structure. We have the 5-minute break of structure. We have a big imbalance here. We're looking good for shorts. Now, I just wanted to see some form of break of structure before we looked to enter. I didn't want to jump the gun too fast. So if we could see something, a good little bit of a retrace into some form of these imbalances, that would be beautiful. Okay, here we go. We're getting some action here, you guys. We can delete this. We're inversing some stuff here. Huge answer off this 15-minute fair value gap though. So I'm kind of undecided from long and short. Again, I would need to see some form of break structure. It can still do this, but I would like price to break structure down here before we return up and then look for our target here, which is just recent lows. Yeah, well, let's actually open up a sell limit. All right, we're dialed in for the day. BMAs, yo, what's up, Wes? Dude, I'm doing good. How are you? I am great. Thanks for asking, brother. So we get stopped out here. That's no worries at all. Bearish price action is possibly making a bearish SMT here. Oh, we take these highs up here, hey? Yep, that's these highs up here. Mark these out real quick. Good answer after the sweep here. We do have this 5-minute imbalance below here. Would like to see this be closed through. Now this would have been wicked to take. All right, this is trade number 6 for the account. Our last trade for the day. We flipped long after we kind of seen those highs be taken. I gotta watch my kid. I gotta watch my shit. I gotta watch my sis. And we get stopped out there. Whoa, look at that wick, you guys. Yo, good thing we de-risked there.